Hello everyone, as you have seen, we are going to make today two-in-one face smiley crying. This is our part 1 video. Our part 2 video is coming on the next week. Yes, we have online coaching also. Learn from us and be a part of our students gallery. Let's start our making. So you can see I have taken A4 sheet of paper and I have drawn a line in the middle and I have drawn two more lines in the right side and left side, and it's half inchy or 1 semi from both the sides. Now you can see both of the part. One part is I have written A and B. So in A part I am going to draw a circle. So you can use compass or any bowl, but the size should be fitted in the A part. Look, or even you can use a CD cassette if it is fitted in your box, I mean in A part. And our A part and B part, both the part would be same size, and the middle line you can make by folding the paper. If you once folding the paper, you can get exactly the middle point. Now same circle I will draw on my B part also. Again you can use bowl, CD cassettes, even compass. Compass is something, if you use this, you can make your customized circle. Both the circle look same. This circle is going to be our face. We are drawing basic lines for the eyes of the face. We are going to draw face now, so don't skip, watch full video. I am drawing the eyes. My left circle that I am drawing now, I am going to make a sad face, so you can understand. And my right side circle, I will make the smiling face. So eyes are getting up. And the left one, you can see the eyes are getting down. Look, I am drawing the eyeball. Now come to our crying face. Same, here will be also eyeball. Now I will draw the mouth of the crying face. It is looking like a M shape. This is the tongue inside the mouth. Now again I am in my smiling face and I draw a big smile in this face. You can see teeth also, but inside the teeth line should not be very darker. But in both the smiley face there is no nose. Now you can see how I am drawing the water coming from the eyes to show the crying face. Now see very minutely in the eyeballs what I am doing. With my eraser, I am making dots in the eyeball, but we will do it after coloring. So let me before color the blue around the eyeball. Now I will take my white color. Now I will make the white dot on the black and the blue border line. Same things for the smiley face also. So now it's looking more realistic. You can see changes. Now I can take my light blue color, or I can mix white and blue to make a light blue color, and I will color in the eyes. You can see along with the border line. Same for smiley face also. You can see changes in the eyes. Now we will see things in manually with real paper. Look, this A4 paper I am folding almost 12 mm. The size will be, you can see this is sellotape available in the market. It will be the quite same size of folding. Now from opposite sides we are going to fold again almost 12 mm. Look, we will fold from middle also. Okay, now you will turn back the paper. These sides we will draw. I am using CD cassettes. You can use compass, bowl, whatever you feel comfortable and fit in your box. You can see both the boxes are there, and I have drawn same size of circle in both sides. And as I show the drawing, same I'm doing here. Look, crying face or sad face, and these are faces I am drawing simultaneously. Look, the big smile how I've done. Now this is mouth and tongue inside of the mouth. Now this is eyeball and small 2 dot that I will do white color, and this is teeth line, this line that differentiates the teeth upper and lower, and water is coming from the eyes. So look, after coloring we will use sketch pen to border. Next of our craft we will see our second part.